This is Maria Elena Pla. I am an architect. I work in ITeC, in the Catalonia Institute of Construction Technology. It is a private non-profit foundation that works for the construction industry to improve efficiency throughout the building's life cycle and transferring knowledge to the industry stakeholders. Our involvement in the Accord project will be in Work Package 1, contributing to the landscape review report regarding Spain, and also, and mostly, in Work Package 5, gathering the best practices of digital building permitting and compliance in Spain.
Hi, my name is Vanessa Soteldo. I am an architect. I work as project manager of innovation projects. I participate in the Work Package 6, Dissemination, Exploitation, and Standardization, and in the Work Package 7, Project Management. Thank you.